Hello guys and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will show you how you can make homemade teriyaki sauce. Just with few ingredients, 7, 6, 8 and 30 minutes of boiling and you will have the most rich and the most tasty teriyaki sauce you ever tried. Place a saucepan over medium to high heat. Add 120 ml of sake and let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. When the alcohol has evaporated, add 200 grams of granulated sugar. Stir with a wooden spoon and as soon as the sugar melts, add 150 ml of soy sauce, 5 cloves of garlic, 60 grams of fresh ginger cut into pieces, 5 sprigs of fresh thyme, 1 onion quartered and 500 ml of water. Stir and simmer for 30 minutes until the sauce thickens. When it's ready, remove from heat and set it aside to cool for about 10 minutes. Pour the sauce through a sieve and into the bowl. You want the teriyaki sauce to have a thick consistency, sort of like thinned out syrup. When it has cooled, transfer to a jar. It is so easy to make this delicious sauce. It is ideal for adding a rich, deep taste to any of your meals.